Hey guys, so it's really common to experience pain when putting on heels, cover heel shoes or heel sandals and all that. So this is a simple DIY to help relieve that discomfort and pain. So just cut out take a measurement of your feet or your shoe and cut it out on the floor, all right, and place it into your shoe as a pad. You can glue it on so that it stay permanently on the shoe, but I prefer to just leave it out so I can interchange with other shoes. You can do same for open sandals. Like all you have to do is like cut it accordingly, and if you place it into the sandals, you can just cut off the excesses and all that. So this is really simple, and I know it will really be helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.